Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use Face ID to install apps from the App Store in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Turn on iTunes and App Store. Enter your Apple ID password. Go back setting page. Tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Select don't require. Select don't require. Go back App Store app. Install your game. Tap on double click to install. Now Face ID is available to install apps. Thanks for watching this video.